I'm Julia Weaver, and I am a media arts and design major with a concentration in digital video and cinema. I'm about to show you the Alison B. Parker studio in the basement of Harrison Hall, my second home. There's a lot of SMAD classes that are held in here, as well as Breeze TV every Friday. So let's just go take a look. So in our first row here, we have the studio director seat, which is for me. And we also have our technical director and our server, and just how we fix our cameras is also in this part as well. We'll go and take a look at this second row here, where we have our producer, our graphics, and our teleprompter. And mostly their role is just for the talent to be on track, and just a clear line of communication there as well. And this lovely back row, we have our audio board, and these people right here are just making sure all the mics and the IFBs are working so this show can be a success. Now I'm going to take you where the magic happens, where our talent does their things. We have our green screen here. A lot of this, we can do a lot of things with the green screen. Mostly we have our politics and sometimes sports here as well for Breeze TV. And as we go over here, this is where our lovely talent reads the teleprompter and is kind of just presenting the content that we have for every week. And you can see kind of their view from right here. We have the teleprompter going, and they can also see a live feed of the show going on. And they're just comparing scripts right now, making sure that we're ready for a successful show. And I'll take you over this way as well. This is our pod. We mostly use this for sports and entertainment, but I just wanted to say that this studio is so adaptable, and that is why I love it so much. We've held so many different special shows here, including a live election coverage where the studio looks completely different, and it's all thanks to the help of our professors. But the most beautiful thing about most of our productions, actually all of our productions, is they're student run. And so that's where the beauty lies here. And it's such a fun and exhilarating experience. And we hope you come to Harrison Hall and check out SMAD sometime.